And good afternoon. Brian Ross here. Glad to have you with us. And for the next 3 hours, we're going to be talking about what we can expect to come next week. At this time on Monday, the trial of Derek Chauvin will be well underway. I'm joined this morning by Michelle Simpson Tuegel, a former a lawyer in Texas, and Taylor Koss, who's a former prosecutor in Brooklyn and now a criminal defense lawyer in New York. And thank you both for being here. Let me start by asking you, how are these lawyers on both sides going to spend this weekend, Michelle?
I would think they're really going to be looking over their preparations for opening statements. They're probably going to be preparing witnesses who will be testifying in the coming week and preparing exhibits and talking to their team about the best approach in light of the people who've been seated on this jury.
And Taylor and Michelle, I know talking to former federal prosecutors in New York, for their opening statements, they often rehearse it in front of even the U.S. attorney, be a crowd there to sort of critique it and go over it, get it really defined. Michelle, is that likely? Have you done that? Is that best practice, you think?
I do that a lot, and especially when I was trying murder cases, and I'm sure Taylor is the same. There's a certain amount of practice. You also want to seem natural and like you're just talking to the jury. But I would expect in a trial that is this high profile and this important that they may even have had mock jury trials already and delivered opening statements. And then, as Taylor said, they're refining it really this weekend with their team. But I would expect a lot of practices going on this weekend.